All right guys, what's going on? So we are at Keystone Resort in Keystone, Colorado today, right at the base of the mountain. And we are checking out this 4-bed, 4-bath penthouse suite, 2,180 square feet, fully remodeled. And it's something that you definitely do not want to miss. So let's go check this condo out. So this is the front entrance of Arapahoe Lodge, which is where the condo is located. Got a nice deck out there to hang out before you go skiing, and it's cool. You just basically walk this sidewalk, past those buildings there, and you're right at the gondola, and then you're on the ski resort. So it is very conveniently located to skiing, and you also, again, have rental shops and coffee shops right out your back door. Ink Spot right at the bottom of that blue building. One of the go-to local spots, one of my favorite coffee spots to grab a bite to eat before going out on the resort. Obviously, if you need rentals, go to Keystone Rentals. And then on the back side of this building, again, you have the grocery store, hot tubs, other rental shop as well. And then going down this way, you have even more rental shops. And then this road will actually take you out to the rest of Summit County. All right, so coming in from the outside, this is the front entrance of the building. You'll notice it's set up with a little TV, foosball table, property management office off to the right. Then you've got a little sitting area here with a nice stone accent wall. Very lodgy feel, and definitely fits with the whole vibe here in Keystone. And then as you walk through, you've got the elevator off to the right. Through there to the 3rd floor, it will take you to the unit. It is a 3rd floor penthouse unit. All right, and now we're going to walk into the unit, and wow, this unit is incredible. Right from when you walk in, you've got these vaulted ceilings that are about 20 feet tall, crazy chandelier, decorated really beautifully. And you've got a little area to hang on your ski items and whatnot. And they've gone with the very modern black and white finish throughout the unit, but gosh, it looks so good. As you walk in, notice the black tile. How cool is that? Take your boots off. You're here to relax, have a good time. First off to the right, washer dryer. Very nice. Perfectly located too, right at the front entrance, so you don't have to even worry about getting the rest of the unit dirty. And then we'll come on to the rest of the unit. So as you walk forward, the unit opens up, and it is immaculate in here. Again, the incredibly high vaulted ceilings. The white color really brings out the natural light that's in this unit. And then they've got this beautiful kitchen set up here. The beautiful cabinets, awesome brass drawer pulls, and all the brass fixtures to go along with it. And then you've got the rest of the unit. So to me, it seems like at one point, this might have been 2 separate units combined into one. And the reason I say that is because over there, you've got a fireplace. And then when you look over to this second living area, you have another fireplace. So that is super cool. And you'll find it's actually kind of common in older condos that people will take units on the top floor and just join them together into one. And then you've got, double the unit, 2 fireplaces, double the living space. And it really opens up this unit a lot. So I like it, definitely really cool. Okay, so now going back towards the front entrance, actually wanted to show you guys this bison bust he's got here and the Let It Snow metal art piece. It's kind of hard to tell from the video, but that piece is huge. It's just about as big as the bison. So from the front entrance area over here, when you walk in, obviously you've got the living area behind me, but then you've got the first bedroom here off to the left. They've got a California King in here, so it's very spacious. And you've got views of the Keystone Ski Resort. And actually the ski resort just closed recently, but people, obviously you can tell, we're taking some lines. So that's very cool. You get views of the ski resort out the bedroom. And then this is an ensuite, so it has its own bathroom. Again, continuing with this black and white finish throughout. This looks like a marble piece probably. This countertop is amazing. I love that white striation going through it. I think it ties the bathroom together really nicely. Again, with the brass finishes on the light fixtures. And then it's beautiful stand-up shower with the black tile and the subway tile. And this is a Jack and Jill as well. So you've got this second door that actually leads back out into the hallway. And then we'll go on back towards the main living area. And we'll get our second bedroom off to the right here. Again, plenty of room for a California King. They've even got a pull-out couch situated over there. This room has vaulted ceilings, so they've added another window, and it adds to the abundant natural light in this unit. And again, views of the ski resort out those windows. And then there's an ensuite, so you have another bathroom. This one actually has a tub, which is a really nice feature. And again, same with the light fixtures, with the brass finishes and the black marble countertop and raised sinks. Looks incredible. And then we'll head back on the living room. And then we've got the first living area. And they've painted the stone fireplace completely white, added a black slab stone on there, painted the mantle black, again to go with that modern theme. And then, again, views of the ski resort all there. And then they fit a very nice sectional in here. So, plenty of room to hang out. And then we head over to the kitchen area. Beautiful dining table. Again, abundant natural light. You've actually got the village of Keystone right over there, which I'll show you in just a minute. And then we've got this amazing kitchen area. As an amateur chef, as I would like to call myself, I am literally in love with this kitchen. The counter space is abundant. Really so much room to set out your small dishes and hors d'oeuvres for when you're hanging out with friends and family. Great amount of cabinet space here. Awesome appliances as well. And again, it feels so grander in here, like just with the vaulted ceilings. It really gives it a lot of space and a lot of open feel. You don't get a closed feel. And to me, it almost makes you feel very open-minded. And I mean, just having all this space allows you the freedom to kind of think and be creative. And especially when you're in the kitchen trying to think of what to chef up, this is a great way to do it, having all this space. So then we'll come over to the second living area. As I mentioned before, it seems to me like this was 2 units at one point. So they've got another fireplace here. Again, the same kind of finish with painting the white, the stones white. They've got the black slab stone there, mantle painted black. Got a beautiful reindeer bust right there. If you're a hunter, you're super into it. And then you've got the views of the village from here, which I'll show you. We'll get out onto the balcony. Hey, are you guys liking this content? Please consider liking and commenting on the video. And if you want to learn all about living in Breckenridge, Colorado, feel free to subscribe. And if you want to discuss what moving here or selling your mountain home looks like, shoot me a text, give me a call, email me, or I'd be happy to jump on Zoom as well, and we can discuss your goals going forward. And now back to the video. Oh yes. Now we head out to one of two balconies. Oh gosh, and as you can see, you're overlooking the village. And in the summertime, they've got tons of events going on here, even in the wintertime too, but in the summertime, they set up a stage here and they have bands playing. They've got all different types of events, Bacon and Bourbon Festival, amongst a ton of other different things. And then you've got some coffee shops and restaurants all throughout the village here. And then as you look off to the right, you get incredible views of the ski resort. And then this balcony has pretty abundant space, so it's great to hang out. No grill on this deck, I'd imagine for fire safety purposes. And then we head back into the unit to check out the rest of it. Now you guys are probably wondering why I'm not front facing on the camera right now. My filmer is out of town for a little while, so I'm doing these videos myself, but I just want to keep the content coming to you guys. So please consider liking and commenting on this video. Subscribe if you want to learn all about living in Breckenridge, Colorado. Now let's get back to the video. I guess it's not technically an ensuite since they're not behind one closed door, but stand-up shower, again, same finishes throughout. They look incredible. And then from there, we go into another bedroom, fitting the California King, abundant light. And then you get a really good view of the village from this one. So it all depends on your style, but if you like the noise and the people and what's happening, you can get the village side of things, sleeping in this bedroom. And then from there, we've got final bathroom, again with the brass light fixtures, awesome countertop, raised sink, and then a tub with the subway tile and black fixtures. Looks very, very good. And then we head on back to the rest of the unit. And it's kind of nice the way all the bedrooms are situated. As you noticed, there's a bedroom right there, a bedroom right there, a bedroom right here, and then there's an upstairs loft as well. So it's great. As soon as you wake up in the morning, you're right into the action, you're right into the open floor plan. So there's no navigating through hallways, there's no tricky scenery to go through, it's not all choppy, it's just a very open floor plan, and it's right to the point. I mean, you walk right into your bedroom, you walk right out into the main living area, so I think that adds a lot of value in terms of the floor plan. And then we will go back towards the front entrance. And upstairs for the finale of this condo. And we've got the loft up here with abundant space. Again, the vaulted ceilings make it feel very open. Got the pull-out couch, here, you've got another balcony overlooking the ski resort, and they've got the bunk set up here for the kids. But it looks like they built this after the fact, so you could easily take that out and make it a standard bed, or you could make it an office space, or, I mean, sure, you could wall all this off and make it a bedroom if you'd like, but I think the open space is very cool. Kids would probably love it. And then, again, ooh, that just shocked me. It didn't feel good. Oh, and then we'll head out to the balcony here. And you can see the ski resort again, beautiful bluebird skies. And you can see actually Peru chairlift over there at the base of Mountain House. And the balcony again is super spacious, a lot of light here, so very nice. So that's pretty much the entirety of the unit, and now we'll go check out the common amenities that we have downstairs. Now the front entrance is down the hall that way, so down the hall we'll take you to the hot tub area. It's a very nice hot tub area. You got this outdoor hot tub right here. And it's perfect because you're looking right at the ski resort, which is epic. And you've got the barbecue area here so you can grill out. And then you've also got this pool and spa down here. So that is super nice. They've got it landscaped very nicely with the aspen trees and the willow bushes. So it's super serene, really nice. And then you've got the village off to the right here, so you can grab a quick bite to eat or a coffee while you chill in the hot tub. So one of the coolest things about this condo is you've got a side entrance over here through the back alleyways of the village. But on this building right here is actually the Montezuma Roadhouse, which is one of my favorite restaurants. And then you may have noticed as well, you've got the Keystone grocery store, which isn't a full-on grocery store by any means, but you can get all the basics that you need. If you need a quick bite to eat, you've got the grocery store right at the bottom of your building. So it's perfectly located, restaurants, grocery store, and you've got Keystone Ski Shop right there to rent your skis. Got the hot tub right out there. I mean, you've literally got everything you need within walking distance, so it's perfect. Okay, so this is your parking. Looks like it's about 7 feet tall, so you could fit an SUV for sure. And the great thing is that it's underground, it's heated down here, so you don't have to worry about snow removal. And then that is your exit over there. It takes you back out onto the road, so you don't have to worry about parking outside, out by all where the guests and tourists and skiers are parking. You've got your own parking, and it is unassigned underground parking, so you can kind of just pick and choose where you want to park. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like the content, like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding real estate in Summit County or any questions about the video, feel free to email me and I'll be happy to answer any questions. And I will see you guys in the next video.